My niggas out here shooting, you know, we getting ready for the army, you feel me? I'm safely behind the tree. You know, Mike the expert. Hey, you broke a tree, nigga. No, they probably still be running back there.
I bet a bit louder here by your ear. A bit louder by your ear. You gonna have your shit gonna be ringing. Yeah, it ringing though. Oh, it ringing. That shit ringing right here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Turn my phone.
That nigga Joe ready, boy. That nigga ready. Right down top. Right there. Hit.
Hey, just like that shit, though. Yeah, that shit turn on me.
That bitch sound like a shotgun. Damn, Mike. Yeah, dunk that bitch. Got 10.
About 15.
God damn. Save me 3.
You got a quick trip on the way.
Whoa, nigga. How often you clean your shit?
It ain't been broke in yet, so I can't clean it.
Oh, damn.
Come here, Zeb.
Here. Come post behind that tree.
Jacket. Shoot.
You ready?
Got a racket, safety, shoot.
You got a racket?
Racket, safety, shoot. Can't be a pussy all your life, man.
Yo, that shit's busting, nigga.
Yeah, that bitch dry as fuck, boy.
Might don't like that shit, boy. Woo. Boy, I had to get out of them bullets for the hit my ass on me.
Hey, them bitches flying, ain't they, boy?
Hey, look, hey, I'm gonna do some crazy shit. Hey, you hit me on this, man. Yeah. Laser bounce off this bitch.
You know that bitch got 5 power.
Yeah, that on the video?
Hell yeah.
That